I think I talked about signal generation and needing an architecture for signal generation, which is really about a signal factory. What it consists of is really three aspects. One is around having a dual mode data integration and AI. So you're considering both structured traditional signals as well as alternate data signals. Second part is how do you make sure that you're actually able to explain it and it's explainable and you have traceability. Third is it's not just compute today as it is, but also accelerating compute GPUs. You have to bring all those three together to drive this signal generation. And how KX fits in is really with this new KDB-X platform. It's really a unified platform to bring both structured, unstructured together, the traditional AI and generative AI, as well as being able to explain so that you actually have a cause and effect. So you have interpretability built into it and you're able to explain it and you take advantage of the next generation architecture such as GPUs combined with CPUs. So really it's the KX and KDB-X is a foundation for the signal factory. We have been in the market for more than 30 years. And it started off with algo trading and volume and velocity and veracity of data. But now it's exponential increase in everything we are doing today. So what's happening with market is the volumes have become the new velocity. When we talked about, now there's data generated at this rate and speed, just in the market data every day, one venue itself will generate 20 terabytes of data, market data. But now you combine that with alternate data, whether it's satellite or video and other things, we're talking about petabytes of data. So it's just structured, unstructured together. How do we bring the same things what we brought to time series data, structured data in the past, to be able to bring this to more of a unification of both alternate data as well as traditional, and applying not only the traditional machine learning, but deep learning and natural language processing, bring it all together to be able to find signals which are accurate, explainable, but also take advantage of the new architecture such as GPU. So that's really where KX has evolved. And then we also have now merged with OneTick, where we are not only looking at be the world's fastest engine, but also able to bring the data as from a different exchanges, 200 different venues, market data, cleaning, providing that where we can actually process the data, but also analyze the data, predict, and also take action by applying things such as agentic AI. So it's kind of looking at entire trade life cycle. And so it goes from, just from research to trade to actually having a continuous intelligence loop, an engine for going from data to decisions.